5 best free VPNs this year. We know how difficult it is to find a good free VPN. That's why we did all the hard work to make it easy for you. In this video, we show you our ultimate list of the best free VPN software for Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, Linux, and other platforms. Download any of these apps, and enjoy the perks like unlimited bandwidth and a good selection of encryption protocols. 1. Atlas VPN, best free VPN. With unlimited data and bandwidth, this provider is a rare sight in the world of free VPNs. And if you wish to go for more, the paid version of Atlas VPN is also a good choice, as it costs only $1.39 a month. 2. ProtonVPN, fast and secure. ProtonVPN, our second choice for the best free VPN services. It is an open-source virtual private network that has an unlimited free version for Windows, Mac, Android, and other devices. 3. WinScribe VPN, best free VPN for Netflix. WinScribe VPN would be the number 1 best free VPN on this list if not for the 10 GB monthly data limit. It's tightly packed with features, can unblock US Netflix, and works with virtually any device that needs a VPN. 4. Hide.me VPN, fastest free VPN. Hide.me is a free VPN that gives you 10 GB of free data a month together with servers in 4 countries, including the US. 5. BetterNet VPN, free VPN with custom protocols. It's one of the most feature-packed free VPNs, offering you split tunneling, a kill switch, the possibility to use torrenting, and a bunch of advanced features usually found only in paid VPNs. As the saying goes, if it's free, the user is the product, and free VPNs are a perfect example of that. An ill-chosen free VPN service can get you into a lot of trouble by selling your data to third parties or spamming you with intrusive ads. However, this is not the case of so-called freemium VPNs.